Hello friends! Now monsoon is on and it's time for our plants to flourish. So during this season earlier, we would have seen some of our plants decline in the growth and some plants would have been dead, and we wonder that we are doing something wrong. So in this video, let us see how to prepare our plants for this monsoon season and what are the do's and what to avoid during this monsoon season. Before we go into the video, please do harvest rainwater, which is both good for plants and for us. So before the monsoon starts, just have a plan of where your plants should be kept. So most probably you need not worry of your indoor plants. They are kept in safe. Plants like cactus and succulents, they don't like to sit in the rain for days. So you should move your plants, that is before your monsoon starts, 15 days to 20 days prior before your monsoon starts. You have to shift your plants. You have to gradually move them to a place where no rain falls on them. Also see that the place where you keep as a good ventilation. And do not water your succulents during rainy season. There is enough humidity in the air for the plant and they do not require any water. For plants that are kept outside exposed to rain, the first thing you have to check is that if your pot has good draining holes. And secondly, you have to check that water doesn't sit on the pot. So in that case, you have to change your soil. You have to change it to a good draining one. Next important thing what should be done is you have to remove the pot plates, because the excess water, it stays in the plate and again the plant would absorb it and it will be like staying in water for a long time and your roots may rot. The plant will rot. So it is better to remove pot plates, and also it is necessary to raise the level of the pots. You can use some stand to keep your plants, or you can just use some pebbles or little big stones and raise the pot so that your drainage hole doesn't get blocked. Next, your plants get easily infected during this rainy season. So 15 days once you can apply fungicide on your plants. And also you can see slugs and snails coming out of your plant. So you can use DE powder on your plants, or else you can just crush the eggshells and you can put it on the plants to avoid the snails and slugs entering into your garden. You can also mix neem oil with water and spray it on your plants. You can also boil neem leaves and you can spray it on your plants to protect it from infections. Next, you can remove the lower leaves or dead leaves which are present in the plant, because fungus attack occurs from the lower part. So removing the lower leaves and also the dead leaves which are present in the plant will reduce the attack of fungus. And also you can see that some stems would be infected or dried up. That stems also you can remove it from the plant. And if your plant is a well grown plant, some plants root may block the drainage soil, so this doesn't allow the water to drain out quickly. So in this case you have to repot the plant, or you have to cut the roots of the plant in order for the water to flow down easily. So this should also be checked. And also, if in case you are in a need to water your plants, it is fully dry, see that you don't water the plants during the evening. Just water them before 3 or 4 in the evening, so that the humidity in the air doesn't affect your plants. During monsoon, many of the nutrients in the plants are washed in the rainwater. So it is necessary to add some fertilizer to your plants. So slow releasing fertilizers would be good. Rainwater, it consists of required amount of carbon which helps to unlock the micronutrient present in the soil. These micronutrients helps in the growth, a rapid growth for your plants. Rainwater contains macronutrients, the bioavailable form of nitrogen. Since nitrogen is the key component for the health and growth of the plant, receiving this nitrates directly from rainwater helps the plant to grow rapidly and have a lush and beautiful foliage for your plants. During monsoon, there might be strong winds that can blow away your plants or damage your plants. So, it is necessary to support your plant and tie it up tightly so that your plants doesn't get any damage due to this wind. And finally, don't forget to remove that color stones or pebbles that you have put in top of your plants, both indoor or outdoor, because the evaporation, it will be delayed, and already there is much humidity in the air, and there is much chance for the plants to rot. So try avoiding to use that color stones. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel, and if you want to buy plants online, please do visit our website www.gabrielsucculents.com. I've just given the link in the description box. Thank you.